Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. Right now, Bitcoin looking pretty good, coming back up from the $36,300 lows that we just hit today, finding some support right now at 36,300. We did get a nice little bounce coming back up to 37,300. We did enter a trade not too long ago. 36,800 was our entry, up about 20% right now with the amount of leverage that we're using, so doing pretty well right now. If we do keep moving towards the upside, then I'll be definitely looking more to be adding to my current position, just because today we did have a big sell-off, a continuance pattern in the Nasdaq. As we could take a look right here, we can see that we were selling off once again to the downside, but at the end of market close we saw Amazon reporting amazing earnings. So Amazon is up 17% after market close, so you guys can probably Google that or take a look at that. So that's definitely going to push indexes up tomorrow. Also, Snapchat up 50%, Twitter up as well. Lots of stocks up on after hours, so maybe we're going to get a little bit of a relief rally in the stock market, so that's going to be interesting to see. We did make a nice trade on the Dow Jones today, shorted from 35,500 or 35,600 basically all the way down here to 35,150. Closed a trade about that area, so made a nice little gain there as well. So if you guys want to see my trades, definitely join the Discord. That's where I post everything right now. And currently I'm in a trade in Bitcoin, so Bitcoin trade looking good as well, up 20%. Now let's take a look at some other charts. Now we did break down from the support that I've outlined in chart TA1. If we do come back up towards the upside and maybe retest this as resistance, I'll probably maybe take some profits at 38,100. But this all depends if if we have a massive rally in the big candle towards the upside, then obviously we're going to hold on to our trade. But yeah, just gonna actively monitor this trade at the moment. And let's take a look at Ethereum as well. Ethereum also, we did eventually break down from this rising channel that I've drawn right here. We did retest it as resistance, and then we kept going down, but now we're back into the channel. Now if we do go back towards the upside, then I'm going to be looking at maybe we'll even get a trade in Ethereum. We could maybe come up to 28.90, 28.70, or at which point we might get some resistance there. But things are looking up right now. Things are looking significantly better than they have been in the past. Solana up 3% at the moment, looking quite nice as well. Let's just go back on the Ethereum chart, because I like to leave these charts. So ETH1 is right there, and right here once again Ethereum getting rejected from this resistance, coming down, and now we're going to come back up. Now we're going to start to see some resistance right here at 27.28. So definitely pay attention to those levels if you're in any Ethereum trades. And if we do break out from this, this massive trend line that we've seen, this big resistance line that we've seen right here, if we do break out and we get above 28.50, then you could definitely check, maybe see some more significant upside. Depends on all traditional markets and what happens there, but always keep an eye on what's happening in traditional market, guys. It's going to be a leading indicator of what's going to be happening. Also the DXY coming down as well, so you can see the DXY right now coming down. So when the DXY does start to sell off, you're going to see a big rise in Bitcoin as well. So now that the DXY is starting to come down, I'm going to open some longs on Bitcoin, because we're probably going to see a rise in Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin's up, 0.16%, but 37,400, so looking pretty good overall. So maybe we're going to get a bit of a short squeeze. You never know. Yeah, always keep your eyes peeled. And let's take a look at the EMA, not the EMA ribbons, the hash ribbons. Where are my hash ribbons? There we go. Hash ribbons, again, making new all-time highs. Have no signs of capitulation yet, even with the price coming down so far, right? We can see that right now Bitcoin's just been getting rejected and rejected and rejected every time. Now we are at some pretty big resistance right now. If we do break towards the upside, then we could have a big rally, but I don't want to get anybody too excited right now, because the last few days have been pretty bearish with how the market's been looking. The outlook on the traditional markets have been changing my view on Bitcoin. Why I've did a complete 180 before, right? That explains why I've changed my mind. But if you guys want to know more about my analysis, just join the Discord, and I could share all of my knowledge with you guys there. And right now we could take a look at Bitcoin on the DBSI. Right now we have a 10 and a -2, so things are not looking as bad. So a big slowdown from the red dot that we got yesterday, And on the 12-hour time frame, we did have that red X, but now things are starting to turn back. The money flow is starting to come back up a little bit, so looking good overall. 37,400 right now, so Bitcoin looking quite good. Anyways, guys, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades, and if you haven't already, definitely join the Discord and sign up for BigGet.com. You get $158 in bonus, plus a 10% deposit bonus. Also, if you guys don't know, people who are in the Discord are the only ones who can win at the giveaways. Now, I don't do giveaways. You won't be eligible to win any giveaways if you're not in the Discord. Just to be fair, because we had a lot of scammers in the back and in the past giveaways, and I'm not about to have that again. Anyways, guys, love you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.